Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 9. This is your physics lecture. Today we are going to solve the exercise of unit number 7. Topic is properties of matter. This is the title page of your physics book for class 9. Yes, here we have our exercise. Question number 7.1. Encircle the correct answer from the given choices. Yes, in number 1 we have, in which of the following state molecules do not leave their position. So here we have the 4 answers and we have to select the correct one. Which of the substances is the lightest one? SI unit of pressure is Pascal, which is equal to, what should be the approximate length of a glass tube to construct a water barometer? According to Archimedes, upthrust is equal to, the density of a substance can be found with the help of, according to Hooke's law. So here on the next slide we have the answers, correct answers. Part 1 answer is A. 2 the correct answer is C. Third one, the correct answer is B. Fourth, correct answer is D. 5, yes, correct answer is A. 6, correct answer is C. 7, yes, the correct answer is B. 8, the correct answer is C. 9, the correct answer is D. 10, the correct answer is A. Next, students, we have the numerical problems. We have 12 numerical problems. We will solve it one by one. In the first one, he is asking a wooden block measuring 40 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter has a mass 850 grams, and we have to find out the density of 3 wood. So here we have the volume. Volume is given. Mass is also given. We have to find out the density of the wood. So here we have the formula to find out the density, mass over volume. By dividing the both values we get the answer. 7.2. Next, students, how much will be the volume of ice formed by freezing 1 liter of water? So volume water is given and we know that 1 liter of water is equal to 1 kilogram mass and density, which is equal to 1000 kilograms. Since density of ice is 0.92 times of the liquid water, so volume of ice, we to find the volume of ice we will take the mass and density. By dividing them we will get the volume of ice. Calculate the volume of the following objects. Number 1 is an iron sphere of mass 5 kgs. So mass is given, we know about the density of the iron, which is 8200. Volume of iron sphere we have to find out by using this formula. Volume is equal to mass over density. We can easily find out the iron sphere of mass 5 kilograms. Part 2, mass of lead shot is given in grams. We can convert it into kilograms by dividing it by 1000. Density of lead, yes, it is 11300. To find out the volume we will take the same formula as we did above. By dividing the both values we will get the volume. Next, in third part, mass of gold bar is given. We know about the density of the gold, which is 19300. Volume of, we have to find out the volume of gold bar. Volume is equal to mass over density. By dividing the both values we get the answer. Question number 7.4. The density of air is 1.3 kilograms meter cube. Find the mass of air in a room measuring. So density of air is given, volume of room is given. We have to find out the mass of the air. So to find out the mass of the air, here we have the formula density into volume. By multiplying the both values we get the mass of the air. Numerical number 7.5. A student presses her palm by her thumb with a force of 75 Newton. So force is given. Contact area is 1.5 centimeter square. Yes, we have to find out the pressure under the thumb. Yes students, we all know about the formula of the pressure, force over area. By dividing the both values we will get the pressure. The head of a pin is square of side 10 millimeter. Find the pressure. Force is also given 20 newtons. So 20 newtons is the force. Area of the head of a pin is, we can convert it into meters easily. We have to find out the pressure. With the same formula we will find out the pressure. A uniform rectangular block of wood 20 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter and of mass 1000 grams stands on a horizontal surface with its longest edge vertical. Find the pressure exerted by the block on the surface and density of the wood. So length of the smallest side of the block is given, mass of the block is given. We have to find out the pressure and the density. First of all we will calculate. We know that since the smallest edge of the block is rested on the horizontal surface, therefore area of the block will be 56.25 centimeter square. By calculating it we will get our answer. To find the pressure under the thumb, yes, we will take the same formula, force over area. Here force is equal to mass into gravity. So by calculating all the given values we will get the pressure. To find the density we will take this formula of density, mass over volume. By calculating all the given values in this formula we will get the density, which is 889 kilograms meter cube. A cube of glass of 5 centimeter side and mass of 306 grams has a cavity inside it. If the density of glass is 2.5 grams centimeters cube, find the volume of the cavity. So we have to find out the volume. Size of the cube is given, mass of the cube is given, density of a glass is given, and we have to find out the volume. We will take the same formula as we did above. Volume of the glass is equal to mass over density. By calculating the given values we will get the volume of the cavity. Next students, we have 7.9. In this numerical, an object has weight of 18 Newton in air. So weight of the object in air is given, which is 18 Newton, and weight of the object immersed in water is also given, which is 11.4 Newton. Density of the glass is 1000 kilograms meter cube. We have to find out the density of the object and the nature of the material. To find the density of the object we have, yes, weight 1 over weight 1 minus change in weight into density. By calculating all these values which is given above we will get the density. So the density of aluminium is 2700 kilograms meter cube. The above calculated value of density is 2727 kilograms meter cube, nearest to the density of aluminium. So the material of the object is aluminium. Next, 7.10. A solid block of wood of density 0.6 grams meter centimeter cube weighs 3.06 Newton in air. So density of wood is given, weight of the wooden block is 3.06 Newton. Since we know that weight is equal to mass into gravity, to find the mass we will take it on the left hand side. Mass is equal to weight over gravity. By calculating the values, yes, we get the mass. To find the density of the volume, density is given, which is 0.9 grams centimeter cube. To find the volume of the block and volume of the block immersed in a liquid, we will get the formula like density is equal to mass over volume. So to find out the volume we will take it to the left hand side and other values on the right hand side. By putting the values of mass and density we will get the volume. So volume is equal to mass over density, which is equal to 340 centimeter cube. Next, 7.11. The diameter of a piston of a hydraulic press is given. How much force is required to lift a car weighing of 20,000 Newton on its piston if the diameter of the piston of the pump is 3 centimeters? So diameter is given, radius of the piston is given, yes, area of the piston is given. To find the area we know about the formula 2 pi r square. We know about the value of the pi, which is 3.14. Weight of the car is 20,000 Newton. Diameter of the piston is 3 centimeter. Radius of the piston is d over 2, which is 3 over 2, which will be 1.5 centimeter. We can convert it into meters by dividing it the help of 100. So area of the piston is 0.015 square. We have to find out the force. So force 1 over area is equal to force 2 over area. F1 shows the first force, F2 shows the second force. By calculating and putting all these values which is given above, we will get the force 1, which is 200 newtons. A steel wire of cross sectional area 2 into 10 with power minus 5 meter square is stretched through 2 millimeters by a force of 4000 Newton. We have to find out the Young's modulus. Students, yes, I told you about the formula of Young's modulus, which is F into L over A change into length. So cross sectional area is given, extension in length is given, force is given, length of the wire is given. By putting all these values in the formula of Young's modulus, we will get the answer of Young's modulus, which is 2 into 10 with power 11 Newton meter square. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.